Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Officers at 24/7. My name is and I am you to discuss the another session regarding your Indian economy and Indian financial system. So, first of all, a very good morning to all of you. Read the 24/7 application here, then do the application because here you will get all the information regarding your upcoming batches, the quizzes regarding your subjects, and also the content to read for the subjects. Okay, everything will be available on the platform. And if you have not subscribed the channel Offices at 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Good morning, Nishi. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? So let's start the session. In this particular session, we are going to talk about the exchange of funds will be done that is known as financial system. And the exchange of funds will be done with the help of three components of the financial. So first of all, what is financial system? Financial system is a system which we are doing exchange of funds among the people who have surplus money and the people among them that will be known as financial system. And to exchange this fund, we need a certain component. So we have a certain component of financial system. There are three components of financial. The first component of financial market. The first component is a financial market. The second component is a financial instrument. Financial instrument. And the third one is market participant. Market participant. So these are the three components of financial system which let us know how to exchange the funds among the people who have surplus money and the people who have of money. So first of all, financial market is a platform, is a place where the market participant or the persons who need money or the persons who want to lend their money, they come together and exchange their funds. So there are three types of financial market. First, we have a money market. Second, we have a capital market. And third, we have foreign market. And the maximum question out of these three financial market will be asked from the money market and capital market. So these two markets are very important when it comes to the syllabus. So first of all, we have to cover what is the difference between money market and capital market. Forex market is also important. I can write it a forex market. It is also important, but not as much as the money capital market. So that's not the forex market. Okay. So these are the three types of market in which people are coming to fulfill their need of money. Now, financial instrument, we have lot of financial instruments like the shares, bonds, debentures, derivatives. Casa Rafa is also a type of financial because Casa Rafa is also helping to exchange the fund among the people, mutual funds, etc. So all these are the financial products, or we can say financial instruments, which are helping us to exchange the fund among the people who have surplus money and the persons who have deficit of money. Now, market part, we have NBFCs, non-banking. Then we have primary dealers. We have portfolio managers. Apart from that, we have investors. It means individual persons. You and I can also be a market participant. So all these are the market participants who are participating in the market. It's very simple. We have discussed what is financial system. Financial system is simply a system in which exchange of funds will be done among the persons who have surplus money and the persons who have deficit of money. This financial system works on the three components, that is financial market, where the securities will be exchanged and needs will be fulfilled. Okay, then the financial instrument. These are the instruments which are helping us to fulfill the needs of the funds. So these are the instruments which will be exchanged among the persons, that is lender and borrower. And market participants are the participants who are participating under the financial market. Let's say, for example, I am participating in the market. Okay. So I went to the capital market, I purchased the shares and I'm investing my money in the capital market. Or I went to the money market, I purchased the certificate of deposit, I invested in the certificate of deposit in the money market. So I will be the market participant. The instrument I am using, it can be shares or certificate of deposit. And the market in which I am participating, it can be money market or capital market. So these are the components which are helping us to know how the funds will be exchanged. Okay. Patil, now it is visible to you. Okay, let's continue. So apart from that, now let's discuss what is the difference between the money market and capital market. Then we will come to the definitions of the both. So we have two types of major markets that we are going to discuss today is money market and the capital market. So first of all, money market is regulated by RBI, whereas SEBI is regulated, capital market is regulated by SEBI, Securities and Exchange. Money market is known as a short-term market. Why we are calling it a short-term market? Because it is for less than 1 year. And when it comes to the less than 1 year duration, the duration will be 360. Capital market is also known as the long-term market. Long-term, it means this is a market for more than 1 year. That will be a capital market. Okay. So money market is a market which is short-term market for 364 days. Capital market is a long-term market that is for more than 1 year. Now in the money market, we have certain instruments. Those instruments are call money, notice money, and term money. These are the three instruments. Then we have commercial papers. Then we have certificate of deposit. Then we have treasury bills, that is also known. We have cash management bill. We have collateralized borrowing and lending obligation, etc. All these are the instruments of money market which we are using to exchange funds among the people who have surplus money and the persons who have deficit of money. If I talk about capital market, in the capital market, the selling and purchasing of securities will be done. Selling and purchasing of securities will be done. Securities, it can be your shares, it can be bonds, it can be debentures. So the selling, purchasing of shares, bonds, and debentures helps the people to exchange their funds whenever they need. Like for example, a company needs some money. Let's say Adda 24/7 needs. So it has two options. It can go to the bank and take a loan. But if you are taking a loan, there is a liability that you have to guaranteed return the loan with a fixed rate of interest. And the company don't know that whatever project we are going to start, that is going to be there in the profit or loss. So there is a risk in taking loan. Maybe we take loan and the business will not run well. Then how we will be able to return the loan? How we will be able to cover up the liability? So company have the second better option, that is issuing shares. So company issued the share and public has purchased that share. So public is giving money to the company in the shares. So this is how the company is raising, and there is no obligation on the company that the company has to return the money of the investor. If there is a profit in the business, the company will return the money. If there is no profit, then the company do not have any kind of liability. Because when you invest in the shares, you become the partner of a company. You get the ownership of the share which you have purchased. It means if the company is in the profit, you will get the profit. If the company is facing loss, you have to bear the loss. So that's the way in which capital market deals with. Bonds and debentures are the debt instrument. Debt means in bonds and debenture, if any company is issuing that, we are giving loan to the bank. We are giving loan to the company. So in the bonds and debenture, company have to return an amount of customers, of amount of investor after a certain maturity period with a fixed rate of interest. Okay, that's the capital market. So these are the differences between the money market and capital market. Now let's read the theory of these particular topics. So first of all, you can see what is financial market. So financial market includes any place or the system that provides buyers sellers the means to trade financial instrument including bonds, equities, various international currencies and derivatives. So financial market is simply a place or a system in which we are providing the buyers and sellers the means to trade the financial instrument among them. It can be your bonds, shares, debentures, derivative, anything. The financial market facilitates the interaction between those who need capital with those who have capital. Okay, so who need capital are the persons who have the deficit of money, and the who want to give the capital, these are the person who have surplus of money. Okay, now these are the two major financial market which we have studied. The difference we have studied, that is money market and capital market. So first of all, money market is a short term market, and money market is a market for the short term financial assets which are close substitute of money. Now what does it mean? As we have discussed that money market has duration of 364 days only. This is the maturity period of money market. So in money market, we are selling and purchasing the instruments of money market for only 364 days, not more than that. And all the instrument which we are using in the money market are the close substitute of money. It means the instruments, it means the instrument can be converted into money, or I can say into cash, quickly and very easy. It's very easy and it will be done very quickly. So the close substitute of money means that these instruments can be converted into money very easy or converted into cash. Most important feature of a money market instrument is that it is a liquid. Liquid means it can be easily converted into cash. It can be turned into money quickly at low cost. Maturity ranging between from overnight to 1 year. So the minimum duration I can say of the money is overnight duration, that is 24 hours. Overnight means 24 hours we are talking. And 1 year it means 4 days. So this is the maturity period which in the money market in which we use the different financial instrument to fulfill the requirement of the money the people. Okay. Now, what is capital market? So first of all, capital market is regulated by SEBI, that's the Securities and Exchange Board of India. It is also known as a long-term market, that is for more than selling and purchasing of securities take place in this market. And these selling and purchasing will be shares, bond, debenture. So when you purchase shares, you get the ownership. Okay, you get the partnership. So your profit and loss depends on company's profit and loss. It depends on company's profit and loss. Company is getting profit, you will get the share of profit. If company is facing loss, you have to bear the loss. Now bonds and debentures both are the debt instrument. Debt instrument, loan instrument. Debt means okay, and both are debt instrument. It means the maturity period. There will be a fixed maturity period after which the company have to return the money of the public, and also there will be a fixed rate of interest. So after a fixed maturity period with a fixed rate of interest, company has to return the money, that's the bonds and debentures. Okay, and this is the capital market. Now there is one important thing that is saying that capital market includes both what? Capital market first includes your equity market, and second it includes the debt market. So equity market and debt market are the part of capital market. In equity market, by selling and purchasing of shares, we are fulfilling the needs of money. In debt market, we are selling and purchasing bonds and debentures because these are the debt instruments. The capital market includes these, the equity market and the debt market. Okay, so this is the difference between the money market and capital market we have discussed. If you have any doubt, you can ask now. Do you have any doubt in the differences of money market, capital market, how financial system works, and what is financial market? Now, So there is a certain information for all of you that from the 13th of January, these two batches are starting. From 13th of January, these two batches are starting. Okay. And in this batch, Indian economy and Indian financial system, or apart from these, the PPB, Principles and Practices of Banking. Both I will be starting from 13th of January itself. Okay. So these are the batches which are going to start from 13. It will be bilingual in English. And to enroll, you can use the code Y496 because right now 81% off is going on and this is available till 12 p.m. today only. After that, this offer will not be. And apart from the target batches, we have a JIB CIB Mahapak with the double validity right now. You will get 12 plus 12, 6 plus 6 and 6 plus 6 validity here. The code will be Y496, 81% discount will be available. Now, what is the difference between the target batch and the Mahapak? In the target batch, you will be getting only the conceptual classes. Okay, you will be getting only the conceptual classes. But in the JIB CIB Mahapak, you will be covering the conceptual classes, the revision classes at the time of exam, the MCQ batches, the numerical batches, the case study batches, your e-books, and test series. Everything will be available in the JIB CIB Mahapak or the individual Mahapaks. And right now, because double validity is going on, if you do the cost benefit analysis, so you will find after paying a less amount of money, you are getting the more benefits. Now, how to enroll in the particular pack? For that, you have to download the Adda application. If you have not downloaded yet, then do download because 1% additional is available through the application. Now, how to enroll? Just go to the application. This is how you have to go to the application and find a JIB CIB section which is available here. If you want to go with the individual target batch of the JIB, just click on the JIB 2020 and you will find this page. Click on the view all offer. When you click on the view all offer, you will find all the upcoming batches and the running batch. So these are the batches for the JIB 2020. Okay, so this is the latest one in English medium that is starting from 13th of January. You can see the Indian economy is starting from 13th at 7 a.m. PPB is starting at 13th at 9 p.m. Okay, do read all the details. After reading all the details, you have to click on the buy now. When you click on the buy now, you have to enter a code that is Y496 and click on the apply here. When you apply, you will find 80% discount it is showing to you. Okay, and 1% additional discount will be available also with the application. So 6 months validity is there, 81% discount is there. Coupon code you have to use is a Y496. And the offer is valid till 12 p.m. today. Apart from that, if you want, you can go to the JIB and CIB Mahapak. That will be more beneficial for you. So click on the Mahapak, do read all the details. It will be covering all the JIB batches, all the compulsory and elective papers of your CIB. After reading all the details, do check all the details. Then you have to click on the buy now. Okay. When you click on the buy now option, you will find another window in which you have to enter a coupon code. Enter a code here that is Y496 and click on the apply. Again, you will find 80% discount, but this 80% discount will be 81% discount by using the 7 application. So 81% discount is there, 2 years validity is there. The coupon code will be Y496 and you will get 10,500 something you have to pay to get the benefit of the JIB CIB Maha. That will be covering all the conceptual classes, upcoming revision batches, test series, everything will be available in a single pack. So after enrolling in the Mahapak, you don't have to invest anywhere else apart from the JIB CIB. Okay. So this is the information for all of you. If you have any doubt in the topic that we have discussed today is financial market and the difference between the two. If you have any doubt, you can ask right now. And if you're watching the video after the end, it ends, then you can also ask your doubts in the comment section. We'll be checking your comment and answering there. Okay. Now let's end the session. Thank you for joining the session. Last but not the least, if you are new to the channel of Officers at 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay. Thank you for joining the session and have a great day.